So I have a friend of mine called Belinda. Belinda ni muuzaji wa manguo. Belinda, she's a designer. So I want to show Belinda how to use AI to make posters, flyers, and also to make designs for your business to use on social media, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, to use on Facebook and others. So today we assume Belinda wants to sell this cloth here, but you can't post these clothes the way it is blank like this. It looks so boring. We have to make the clothes look attractive. So in this case we will use an AI called we'll use Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI can make videos, motion videos, and beautiful posters. So what we do, we have to go to ChatGTP and ask ChatGTP to make us AI. We have to tell ChatGTP make us a social media poster prompts to be used in Leonardo AI. Make the image look attractive in goldish orange background. The content of the poster be welcome to Belinda Designs House. So tumeambia ChatGTP what to do, then ChatGTP katufanyia this, a luxurious and eye-catching social media. So tuna copy this one here because the image that we want to translate is this image here. Okay, so tunaenda kucopy what ChatGTP has made us. This is the prompt. We are going to paste it kwa Leonardo here. Kwa Leonardo, I'm going fast because I don't have time. Then I'm going to paste it there, then generate. Then clicking on generate, it will start generating my pictures. I'm waiting to see my Belinda's poster. And this poster, you can use it on social media, and that is it, how people are making sweet posters using AI. So we have our poster. Look at it, very beautiful, Belinda Design House. And that is how people make and sell. Look at how this is beautiful. Let me zoom it for you. Look, very nice. And that is how Belinda can increase the sales on the social media by creating posters using ChatGPT prompts and Leonardo AI. I know so many AIs mpaka zinanichanganya. So that is Belinda now selling Belinda Design House. Welcome to Belinda Design House. That is how we do it.